What's up everybody? In this video I will be practicing escapes from Cabeçada in a specific situation. I might counterattack, I might transform to something else. Let's see what we can come up with.
So let's imagine you're gonna go for Au and your partner has different plan for your Au because he goes Cabeçada on you. What's your reaction gonna be? Let's practice some of those. Option one, you actually take Cabeçada because you actually slept and you didn't see it.
And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a comment, share the video with others and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.